Hello Nigeria, hello Africa. We are currently at Paramount residence at Lekki Phase 1. This is one of the best projects right now in this axis in Lekki corridor. Now here are three major reasons why I'm going to be pitching this particular property to you. Why I feel is the best property for you to key into right now. This is an off-plan property off Freedom Way. Now when you're looking at architectural masterpiece, you're looking at buying into a property that gives you lots of peace of mind, that gives you huge returns on investment, and also meets that dream home specification. You're welcome home. You're welcome to Paramount Residence at Lekki Phase 1. Now this is a project that is being developed by one of the best developers in Nigeria currently. This developer has been able to deliver a good number of projects in Lekki Phase 1, in Ikoyi, in Banana Island. Now, for example, I'm going to be giving you all a tour of one of the most important projects that this developer has been able to deliver between 2021 and 2023. Now, let me show you La Vida. Now, La Vida is one of the maiden projects of this developer. This developer started La Vida in 2021, which a good number of my clients actually keyed into, and he was able to deliver within just 2 years. Back then, La Vida was selling for about 120 million for terraces, but right now, La Vida is selling at a minimum of 260 million naira for the terraces and semi-detached as well. And it comes with all the facilities that you can actually think of. When you're looking at swimming pool, you're looking at kids play area, you're looking for a place with tennis court and the likes. This is the project. Now essentially, I keep telling everyone that before you key into a project, you need to deep dive, you need to do a deep research into the developer that you're buying from. Ensure that it is a developer that is always keen to delivering masterpiece projects with quality designs, with quality products, and at the end of the day, and is also able to meet up with delivery timelines and delivery dates. Now this is the best project to look into. Now the major reasons why I'm going to be advising you buy into this project is, first, is the fact that the resale value is actually going to be huge, and also the prime location it is definitely a very good reason why you should be looking to buy into this project. Now we all know that Lekki Phase 1, especially Freedom Way, is the hub of lots of prime residential properties used for short lets, good for rental properties and the likes. For example, a 2-bedroom can be rented out for about 7 million naira, and you can earn rental, or rather short let income per night. You can earn as high as 150,000 naira. Now this is a project that is definitely going to be giving you all the qualities you need. We're delivering the best projects, we're delivering in terms of high quality, all the amenities. We're looking at a very large swimming pool, we're looking at gym, facility area, and in terms of the quality of finishing, and it's going to be fully serviced. Fully serviced meaning we're going to be having 24/7 power supply, 24/7 security. Everything is going to be done to taste in this particular estate in Lekki Phase 1. So now we have the engineer on site for Paramount Residence. Sir, thank you very much for your presence here. And we're basically going to be asking update questions that are definitely going to be answering, some of the questions you have in mind, essentially. So, sir, what is the current level of development right now at the Paramount Residence here in Lekki Phase 1?
Yeah, presently we're on the substructure. We're about going to the superstructure. What do I mean by this is we're on the foundation stage now. We've done our piling, pie caps, ground beams, as you can see.
Yeah.
So the stage we are into now presently is sand filling and compaction. You can see our sand of sand filling of the ground beams, the car parks area. So, and our iron is standing already. We are preparing to start casting our columns so that we can start our superstructures, which is going for the first floor, second floor, third floor, and the lights.
Okay, so we are going to be having 4 floors.
Yes, 4 suspended floors.
4 suspended floors.
Yeah.
So is it like we are going to be having
pool.
Okay, suspended pool.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's just for the penthouse.
No.
Okay, all of them.
This is about 59 meters.
Oh,
an infinity suspended pool.
Infinity suspended pool. You can imagine what that is going to look like. So, are we going to be having 2 entrances? I'm curious.
Yeah, we're having 2 entrances, but it's not the way. We actually leave this so that we'll have access
For now. Okay.
So we're using this. You see the lift shaft? This lift shaft slab that we cast beside here. This beam that you're seeing.
Yeah.
That's one access all the way down like this to the main entrance.
Oh, I see.
Same thing on that side.
Okay.
After the lift shaft there, we'll have another lift shaft there.
Okay.
The beam all the way down. So we're having 2 entrances. One is entrance and exit.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
So here is just a temporary thing. This is not entrance. The main gate is our entrance.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much. Then, what do you think is going to be the delivery timeline? Like, how soon do you think?
18 months.
18 months. 18 months. So you can hear. So it's within just 18 months. We're definitely going to be rounding up with this project. So, for example, the La Vida project now.
Yeah.
Like, how long did it take to deliver that project?
Exactly. We did La Vida for good 18 months. People are living in La Vida already.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. I can see that.
We deliver before the expected date. But one thing about this is, this is like a mini high rise, so that's to move simultaneously. Not like La Vida that you are doing blocks by blocks.
Blocks by blocks.
Just do full slab.
Okay.
Do our partitioning, move, partitioning.
Okay. In terms of the integrity of the foundation, what can you say? In terms of all these, structural engineering terms.
I love this. If you happen to be a person that knows about civil engineering, you know about building, you can see our slabs, you can see our pie cards, our beams, you can see that they are super amazing. See this is 25 mm. This is what we use. Our columns. Yeah. And our pie cap, we have 20 mm, we have 25 mm in our pie caps. Even in our beams, our ground beams, we have beams that carry 25 mm.
Wow.
So in terms of safety, we are secured when it comes to safety.
Wow.
All our columns is 25 mm. You can see it. All our columns. And that's the way we are going all the way to the
all the way up. So how many units are we going to be expecting here?
So we're expecting 128 units that comprises 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 8 bedroom.
Okay. And what are the facilities aside the swimming pool?
The swimming pool, we have gym.
Okay.
We have cinema. We have a suspended pool, and then the car park here is super amazing. All where we're standing is a car park.
Oh wow!
The ground floor is car park, so they all start from first floor, and that's where we have the swimming pool. So the amazing thing is you have an amazing view of the pool all the way down because this building is U. Everybody will have
that U shape. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So as you see it on the 3D model, that's essentially how it's going to be.
That's the way.
Yeah, essentially. Thank you very much, sir, for your time. Thanks for your effort as well. We really appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, I believe you've heard it all from the engineer on site at Paramount Residence in Lekki Phase 1 of Freedom Way. Now, you can key into this project with minimum initial deposit of 20 to 30%, and you can buy or you can key into a 1-bedroom apartment, 2-bedroom apartment, and 3-bedroom apartment. A 1-bedroom apartment here is going for just 90 million naira. A 2-bedroom apartment is going for 150 million, while a 3-bedroom apartment is going for just 200 million naira. You can imagine the huge returns of investment you're going to be getting by the time this project is fully done. And one thing I like about real estate is basically there's some of my clients that what they do essentially is to buy multiple units. Why do they do that? They do that because sometimes when you buy multiple units, let's say 3 units, you can use one for rental income, you can use one for short lets or Airbnb, because this particular area is an hot spot for short lets. Like there will be lots of demand, especially close to the end of the year is usually really booked out. Then the last unit you can actually decide to resell it, and I guarantee you that your property will have appreciated by nothing less than 30 to 50 million naira. I mean, those that bought into La Vida back then when I told them in 2021, they are definitely enjoying the benefit right now, because aside getting their dream home, they are also guaranteed of huge returns on investment. Most of them are earning huge return over hundreds of millions, because some of the clients that bought back then bought at 120 million, but now each of them have a resale value of minimum of 260 million. You can imagine, like, real estate is that type of investment that you key into, the moment you key it into it the right way, you're guaranteed yield returns on investment. You can guaranteed that your money is preserved and you are multiplying your income every single day. Trust me, there is definitely nothing stopping you from keying into this project, because this is the best project to buy into right now. This is Paramount Residence off Freedom Way at Lekki Phase 1. You can key in with a deposit 20-30% or even higher, and you can spread your balance for up to 18 months interest free. Isn't that lovely? Like, there is really no reason why you shouldn't key into this project right now. Ensure you dial the number on your screen, like and subscribe, and let's get you a unit in this beautiful project. Thank you very much for your time. I remain Adeola Sanusi, MD CEO of XLHomes Real Estate and Development, the best real estate company in Africa, delivering the best projects to you here in Nigeria. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you.